आज हम बात करेंगे EtherLite स्टेकिंग के बारे में। स्टेकिंग एक प्रोसेस है जिससे आप अपने EtherLite कॉइन्स को लॉक करके पैसिव इनकम कमा सकते हैं। What is staking? Staking is a way of securing the EtherLite network by locking up your coins. In return, you are rewarded with new coins. The more coins you stake, the more rewards you will earn. How to stake EtherLite? There are a few different ways to stake EtherLite. One way is to use a staking pool. A staking pool is a group of people who pool their coins together and stake them as a group. This makes it easier to stake your coins and earn rewards. Another way to stake EtherLite is to run your own validator node. This is a more involved process, but it gives you more control over your staking rewards. How much can you earn from staking EtherLite? The amount of rewards you earn from staking EtherLite depends on a few factors, including the amount of coins you stake, the length of time you stake them, and the current network conditions. However, you can typically expect to earn around 5% annual return on your staked coins. Why should you stake EtherLite? There are a few reasons why you should stake EtherLite. First, it's a way to earn passive income. Second, it helps to secure the EtherLite network. Third, it's a way to participate in the governance of the EtherLite network. How to get started with staking EtherLite? If you are interested in staking EtherLite, there are a few things you need to do. First, you need to create an EtherLite wallet, buy some EtherLite coins and choose a staking pool or set up your own validator node. Once you've done that, you can start staking your coins. The process is usually very simple and straightforward. Conclusion: staking EtherLite is a great way to earn passive income and help to secure the network. If you are interested in staking, I encourage you to learn more about it and get started.